Troubleshooting your car's air conditioner blower that won't shut off. Discovering that your car's air conditioner blower won't shut off can be inconvenient and uncomfortable. In this video, we will explore the common reasons behind this issue and provide practical insights into diagnosing and resolving it. Understanding the root causes of a malfunctioning air conditioner blower is essential for maintaining your vehicle's climate control system and ensuring a comfortable and safe driving experience. So before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. Blower fan control issues. Faulty blower motor resistor. The blower motor resistor regulates the speed of the blower fan. When it fails, the blower may stay on at one speed, or it might not respond to the controls at all. Replacing the resistor is typically necessary to rectify this problem. Stuck blower motor relay. A malfunctioning blower motor relay can cause the blower to remain active even when the system is turned off. Replacing the relay is usually required to resolve this issue. 2. Wiring and electrical problems. Shorted wires. Short circuits in the wiring can result in continuous power to the blower motor, preventing it from turning off. Identifying and repairing the shorted wires is essential. Faulty control module. The climate control module, or the HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning control panel, may have a malfunction, causing it to send continuous signals to the blower motor. Replacing the faulty component can address this problem. 3. Stuck blower motor. Sometimes the blower motor itself can become stuck due to debris or dirt accumulation. This can prevent it from responding to the control commands to shut off. Cleaning or replacing the blower motor may be necessary to resolve this issue. 4. Cabin air filter. A clogged or dirty cabin air filter can restrict airflow, causing the blower motor to work harder and potentially remain active. Regularly replacing the cabin air filter can help maintain proper airflow and prevent this problem. 5. Damaged or misaligned blend door. The blend door in the HVAC system controls the mixture of hot and cold air in the cabin. If the blend door is damaged or misaligned, it can prevent the system from shutting off, as it struggles to maintain the desired temperature. Diagnosing and fixing blend door issues may be required. 6. Air conditioner compressor problems. Issues with the air conditioner compressor can also cause the blower to stay on. If the compressor doesn't cycle off correctly, it can lead to continuous operation of the entire climate control system. Consult a mechanic to diagnose and repair compressor-related problems. Conclusion. In conclusion, a car's air conditioner blower that won't shut off can be attributed to various factors, including blower fan control issues, wiring and electrical problems, a stuck blower motor, cabin air filter clogs, damaged or misaligned blend doors, and air conditioner compressor issues. Prompt diagnosis and necessary repairs by a qualified mechanic are essential to address these problems and ensure a properly functioning climate control system. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.